Hello. In this video, I will be examining the swing index indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us better identify the start of trends and trade in that direction. This indicator consists of a histogram with two colors, red and green. When the red histograms have higher values than the green histograms, it indicates that we are soon predicting a downtrend to form and that we are at the end of an uptrend.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And when the green histograms have higher values, our prediction is that an uptrend will soon form, and in this phase we are at the end of a downtrend. It also has a signal line, and if the values of the green histograms are higher than this amount, we can set it to issue an alert for us to enter a buy trade. Conversely, if the red histograms are above this signal, it will issue a sell signal for us. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this value, the smoother and more gradual the changes will be, and sudden changes will be filtered out. The next option, is the signal line, which we can adjust based on the symbol we are trading. We can set it to a value that will issue a buy or sell signal for us, with the default being 6. The next option is the basis for calculating the indicator. If it is set to true, the basis will be the high and low of the candles. If it is set to false, it will consider the open and close of the candles as the basis for calculations. The next option, if set to true, will issue an alert when the histogram rises above this signal line. If the green histograms exceed the signal line, it will give us a buy signal, and if the red histograms exceed it, it will issue a sell signal. The next option is an audio alert, which, if set to true, will also issue an alert in audio form. The next option, if set to true, will also issue an alert to our mailbox, and the last option is the number of candles that appear in the past chart and on which calculations are performed. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings and inputs are exactly the same as the MT5 version. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. At the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.